Hey everybody and welcome back. If you're looking how to block ads from any of the Samsung device and you are wondering how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just dive right in. So you can use the private DNS feature for system-wide blocking within the Samsung device's settings. For that, access your settings, and once you access your settings, you can go to the connections, and within connections look out for more connection settings and tap on it. This one method blocks ads across most of the application and browser, not just Samsung Internet. So once you are here, you can go to private DNS and tap on it. And under private DNS, you can select this option of private DNS provider host name and enter dns.art@card.com. After that is done, save, and ads should now be blocked. That should mostly block the ads from your Samsung device. Apart from that, you can just go over and look out for ad blockers sometimes. If you have Samsung Internet, you're using Samsung Internet, you can open up Samsung Internet, this one right here, and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can just go over and look out for the menu in the bottom right corner, the three horizontal lines. And from there, just go over and access your settings of your Android's internet. After you go to your internet settings here, what you need to do is you need to go over, scroll down and find ad blockers. And if you find that option by there, you can just go over and install an ad blocker like AdGuard or AdBlock Plus to download and activate it. And that should also probably block ads from any thing on your Samsung Galaxy device. So you can just go over and follow it up. You can follow up your Google Ads. Also, you can turn it off within the personalization. That is also a method possible. Or there are different ad blockers available. You can use those ones available as well. So that is it, everybody. Those are probably the solutions you can do within the app or within the device itself. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.